living, I say, but none of them want to die. I don't know